Welcome to Free Arts Academy, where art is for everyone. For the best in free art education, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post a video each Wednesday. This week we have two essential art terms: perspective and foreshortening. These two art vocabulary words work closely together. Remember, in week 1, we discussed the line. Before you even draw your first line, you'll need this next term in your mental toolkit. And this is important as texture. Did you miss our previous videos on line and texture? Links to those videos are in the description below. When organizing shapes in a space, perspective is important. Dictionary.com says this about perspective: the art of drawing solid objects on a two-dimensional surface so as to give the right impression of their height, width, depth, and position in relation to each other when viewed from a particular point is perspective. With perspective in mind, you'll see foreshortening as a crucial part of your process. If you've got questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Foreshortening is what an artist must render in order to create a realistic vantage point of an object through space. The artist must consider the vantage point of the viewer and distort angles as necessary to depict depth of imagery. The illusion of depth couldn't exist on a flat surface without foreshortening and perspective. Next week, we're adding more essential art terms to your growing list. Please review each art vocabulary word, as you'll need them internalized before you create your next piece of art. Thanks for joining the Free Arts Academy. Please click the subscribe button, hit the bell, and like button if you're finding this information helpful on your path to being an artist. Please feel free to share our perspective and foreshortening and art definition video with your other creative friends. See you next time.